Welcome back to Off the Jeep End. If you haven't seen our videos before, definitely suggest checking those out, giving them a like, and subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date on all the videos that we're going to post. Today is a special video because we have our 1998 Jeep Cherokee with the 4.0 liter motor in here. It's up on 35s and a 4.5 inch suspension lift if anyone cares. And we are going to do the nut strip for the back so we can tow our trailer and the boat with this vehicle. The 4-cylinder Jeep makes it a little bit tiring to get the boat out of the water, and this should help a lot. Alright, so stick around and we'll show you how to do that. Alright guys, so when you take your bumper off, you're going to be met with a sight that looks something like this on where the bumper mounts. It mounts on that stud in the middle, and there is a hole on the bottom with a nut on it where you're going to have to loosen that. And once you pop the bumper off, you're going to see these. You're going to have to take out the 4 bolts. As you can see, I have the 3 taken out already, and I got one more holding it in. And we're going to take that off and see what's behind it. Alright, so once you pop that off, you're going to see this. You're going to see your 4 holes. As you can see, you got a small slot in the middle of them where you're going to insert the nuts. Alright, so once you're ready to install the nut, you're going to take this side, and this is for the passenger side. It's going to be facing to the right. You're going to want to insert that first. Okay, and we're just going to match it up with the holes. Alright, so if you're doing this job by yourself, I would suggest getting underneath the truck, put the nutserts in. As you can see, there's a little lip on the back of the nutserts that hang over that oval hole, and then it has one last nut on the end. I would just hook the trailer hitch on both sides, hook it in by 1 bolt, so it stays there and you don't have to fight with it and try and find out where the bolts are. That being said, once you put those on, I would just maybe put a little anti-seize on some of the bolts. If you got a lot of rust in there, definitely make sure you clean out the rust inside of the hole where the nut strip's going to be, or else the nut strip is going to be bent all different types of way when you go to tighten stuff down, and you don't want that. Alright, so let's go ahead, let's find the rest of the bolt holes and tighten everything up. Alright, so one thing I forgot to mention, on the passenger side, you're going to have a skid plate for your gas tank, which is going to be so the exhaust doesn't burn it up. Okay, you're just going to want to make sure you put that in between the trailer hitch and that heat shield. They should share 1 bolt together. Alright, so just a little side note, and let's go ahead and put these in. Alright, so that's it. We got all the bolts tightened up. Just be very careful, especially if you go with like the Crown model. They just tend to want to snap the nuts off, so I would just be very careful on them. As you can see, that last one over there, looks like that one, I think we broke the nut off. But no problem, we still got the other 3. And one more thing for this, if you are going to change your exhaust hanger and it's beat like mine, definitely get one now. So you can install it when you put everything up and you don't got to take any more bolts out. But that's it. Looks pretty good. Very strong. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, any comments, concerns, you can drop in the comment section below. Subscribe, give us a like, check out our other videos. Stay Jeepin'.